Hi, my name is Tin Zaha. I will talking about the product rule. Introduction. The product rule tells us how to differentiation expression that are the product of two orders. Formula. The product rule formula is dy ds equal to v du ds plus u du ds. Now we solve this problem by using product rule. Y equal to 5s open bracket 7s plus 6 close the bracket. How we get the u and v? U we will get it in the question 5s, and v we will get it in the question also. This is all the number in the bracket 7s plus 6. What the meaning of the prime? The prime is calculate using differentiation formula. So u prime is 5 and v prime is 7. Next, we will solve the problem using the formula du ds plus v du ds equal to 5s times 7 plus 7s plus 6 times 5. Let's add all the value. 35s plus 35s plus 13. 35 plus 8, 35s plus 35s equal to 17s. 17s plus 13 is the answer, but we need to simplify the answer. We can divide by 2. 70s divided by 2 is 35s. 13 divided by 2 is 15. List down the new formula. 2 open bracket 35s plus 15 close the bracket. This is the final answer by using product rule to solve formula. Y equal to 5s open bracket 7s plus 6 close bracket. That's all for me. Thank you.
So hi, my name is Kim Kurana Kemarau. Today I'm gonna present is question rules. So I'm gonna go through introduction. Question rule is a method of finding the derivative of a function that is a ratio of two differentiable functions. So here is the formula of question rule. Was dy over du equal to du prime vu prime minus uv prime over v square. So we're going to use the formula on this question using question rules. So first step is we're going to find vy over du, all called u prime. So in the question here is y equal to open bracket 3x close the bracket over open bracket 9x of 2 minus 1 close the bracket. So du here we just take from the upstairs from dy is 3x. Well, we're gonna leave the bracket here alone, yeah, because we're gonna find the u prime. So u prime is equal to 3 because we can bring this x, because if we want to find the prime we can leave to the number only. So next we're going to find v prime or dy over dv. So if v equal to 9x power of 2 minus 1, so we're going to find v prime. V prime is equal to 18x. 9x power of 2, we're going to bring the power of 2 to the front and multiply it and equal to 18x. So here is the final step. So first we're going to find the partners. The partners is 3x and 18x. So if we multiply it, it becomes 54x square. So the other is 3 and 1. Because there are no x, we're gonna multiply it. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3, right? Then we're gonna bring the 1 to 9 and equal to 27 x power of 2. So next we're gonna find another partners, because there's 2 x squared. So 54 x power of 2 with a minus 24 x power of 2. So it will become negative 24 x power of 2. And the answer is x negative 27 x power of 2 minus 3 over open bracket 9x power of 2 minus 1 close the bracket of 2. That's it. That's only. Thank you for listening. Bye bye. Peace.
Hi, my name is Wasanana Kedu and I'll be teaching you about differentiation technique, which is chain rule. For the first step, we have to look at the formula chain rule to see what we should find first. They want us to find dy over du. How do we find it? To make things easier, we have to find u. U is represent everything in the bracket, which is 4x power of 2 minus 10. Now, we already find our dy over du. But how do we find du over dx? So, we have to look back at the formula. It is pretty easy because you just take everything that inside the bracket and then you just solve it. We are using constant rule and power rule to solve it. For that, this is your final answer, which is 8x. Now, we have found our dy over du and du over dx. So, let's take a look back to our formula. For the last step, we need to time dy over du to the du over dx. Then, we implement the answer to the formula, which is 5u power of 4 times 8x. After knowing the last step, we have to show our u. U was represented by 4x squared minus 10. Then, we need to time everything that outside, which we will time 8x to 5. So, the last answer you will get is 40x open bracket 4x squared minus 10 close bracket power of 4. So this is your final answer. That's all for me, and thank you. Bye bye.
Oh my God, no way, yeah.
Hi guys, my name is Izzat Izzuddin. So I'm from DDT1G. So today I'll present definite integral. It is the second rule of integral. And today I have the question here. So the question is 2, 0 integral in bracket x plus 1 dx. For the additional information, the 2 is represented as A and 0 represent as B for the integral. Okay, so let us start. The first step, you guys gonna get this kind of number, that is bracket x squared over 2 times x and close bracket 2, 0 integral. So you guys must be asking, where do I get x squared over 2? So basically, an integral, it has its own formula, that is 1 over n plus 1 times n plus 1 plus c. So the n actually represent as the power of the number, like x itself, it is equal to power of 1. So I put the value n as 1 here, that is 1 over 1 plus 1 times power of 1 plus 1 plus c. So you guys will get this number as the final form. And where do I get the x? It's actually it is 1 times x. hidden calculation behind it. So this is how I get x as the first step value. Okay. So as what I told you guys earlier in this video, so the 2 represent as A and 0 represent as B. So for the second step, so this is the original or the new formula, that is x squared over 2 times x. So it's what you guys can see here. It is the value of A is 2. So you guys are going to put the value of x represent as what the value shown here, that is 2. So for the second step, you guys will put in all the values that are A and B, like this, 2 and 2, and for the B it is 0, 0. So for the final calculation, you guys gonna calculate it with calculator. So you guys gonna get 4, the answer. So integral, definite integral is as simple as that. It doesn't require a lot of calculation because it is a very straightforward calculation formula. So I think that's all from me. Thank you. Bye.